This tutorial is all about solving an equation for a specific variable. Sometimes there are more than one variable in an equation or a formula. Okay, so we're going to learn how to solve for a specific variable within an equation or formula. So here we want to solve for y. We have 3x minus 4y equals 7. So I want to isolate that y. So I need to take care of everything else before I start moving around this y. So 3x is positive. So to move that and keep it balanced, I have to subtract 3x. And I'm going to do that from both sides. Now don't forget, like terms are very important here. I have nothing over here that's a like term. Okay, so this is canceled. It equals 0. Negative 4y comes down. And then I simply say 7 minus 3x. I cannot combine anything over here, so I'm showing that I moved it by saying 7 minus 3x. All right, now to isolate that y. Since I am multiplying negative 4 times y, I want to undo it by dividing. I undo it all over here, just like that. Left with y, I've isolated that variable. All right, so y is left with 7 minus 3x divided by 4. That is as simplified as you can take it, because I cannot divide 7 by 4 evenly, and I cannot divide this by 4 evenly, so it just stays. All right, next one. If we have k minus 2 divided by 5 is equal to 11j, we want to solve for k. In order to get k by itself, to isolate it, I have to take care of that 5. Since I'm dividing by 5, to undo, you multiply by 5, and you do this to both sides. Those cancel. I'm left with k minus 2 is equal to, and multiply, you get 55j. Now to isolate k, I want to add 2 to both sides. Remember, like terms are key here. So 55j plus 2. So in this instance, k is equal to 55j plus 2. That's as far as I can take it. All right, now what happens when you have formulas? Okay, so let's take a look at our circumference formula. We have the formula written out as 2 times pi times r. I want to solve for the radius, that r. So I am multiplying all of these together, so I will divide by 2 pi, and I will do that on both sides. Those cancel. I've isolated r. So r, your radius, is equal to the circumference divided by 2 pi. And don't forget, 2 pi is just like the diameter. All right, now in science, they use this formula, okay? And we want to solve for a. Keep in mind, we are multiplying all of these together. So I have a fraction in here. Do not forget, when you divide by a fraction, you flip it and multiply. So when I divide by what I need to on this side, we're going to flip that fraction and we're going to multiply. Okay, and I can take this one step at a time if I want to. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I am going to go ahead and take care of that fraction. I'm going to multiply by 2 over 1 on both sides. That leaves me with 2s over here. That canceled, and I have a times t squared. Since I'm solving for a, I have to take care of that t squared, and since you're multiplying, you want to divide by t squared on both sides. Those cancel. Left with a, and that is equal to 2s divided by t squared. And again, that is as far as you can take it. All right, remember, take it one step at a time. If it confuses you, if you've got a lot going on, that's okay. I hope this helped.